is the name of my story. A greedy dog. Once there was a dog. He was very hungry. He stole a piece of meat from a butcher's shop. He ran away and reached on a lake. He saw another dog with a big piece of meat. It was his own reflection in the lake. He was greedy and wanted to get that piece of meat too. He opened his mouth to bark at the dog in the lake. But his own piece of meat fell down in the water. He could not get anything due to greed. Moral of the story, don't be greedy. Thank you. Bye bye.